Welcome to English for You, your gateway to English mastery. Dive into our engaging lessons, where you'll discover helpful grammar tips and practical everyday English that you can use right away. Ready to expand your English vocabulary? In this video, we'll take you on a colorful journey through 58 different fruit names in English. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your fruit vocabulary, this video is perfect for you. So grab a snack and get ready to discover the wonderful world of fruits while improving your English skills. Hit play now, and let's get started. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's embark together on this exciting language learning adventure.
Apricot. Apricot. Banana passion fruit. Banana passion fruit. Blood orange. Blood orange. Breadfruit. Breadfruit. Buddha's hand. Buddha's hand. Calamondin. Calamondin. Camu camu. Camu camu. Canistel. Canistel. Carambola. Carambola. Carissa. Carissa. Cassava melon. Cassava melon. Chayote. Chayote. Cherimoya. Cherimoya. Cloudberry. Cloudberry. Cucumber melon. Cucumber melon. Custard apple. Custard apple. Damson. Damson. Date plum. Date plum. Dewberry. Dewberry. Elephant apple. Elephant apple. European elderberry. European elderberry. Finger lime. Finger lime. Gallia melon. Gallia melon. Genep. Genep. Granadilla. Granadilla. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Ground cherry. Ground cherry. Horned melon. Horned melon. Huito. Huito. Imbi. Imbi. Jaboticaba. Jaboticaba. Jostaberry. Jostaberry. K-apple. K-apple. Kaffir lime. Kaffir lime. Loquat. Loquat. Memi sapote. Memi sapote. Mangosteen. Mangosteen. Miracle fruit. Miracle fruit. Monstera deliciosa. Monstera deliciosa. Mountain papaya. Mountain papaya. Nashi pear. Nashi pear. Neem fruit. Neem fruit. Oregon grape. Oregon grape. Otaheite gooseberry. Otaheite gooseberry. Pawpaw. Pawpaw. Persimmon. Persimmon. Pineberry. Pineberry. Pitahaya. Pitahaya. Prickly pear. Prickly pear. Kwandong. Kwandong. Salak. Salak. Santal. Santal. Sea buckthorn. Sea buckthorn. Soursop. Soursop. Sugar apple. Sugar apple. Suriname cherry. Suriname cherry. Ugni. Ugni. Wood apple. Wood apple.